มิตรชวนผ้าชิคูบอร์กิแบบเนี้ยนี่เป็นช่วยกิมันประกองสั้นในจังหวะมันตรีคณะเอกเวสคาซิเฮลส์บันคีเนี่ยเอกสกีมสอร์การประเด็นMenjur ke Sarkar Jela dan Pengkelah Kerteng ke Lady Hydro Park ke Pan Nong Light Park. Pun ke Kenhun Menteri Sarkar ke Jung Petai Bnya Alor ke Roaster System. Bat play Menteri Rambak ya ke Dare to Dream Academy Hasai Nehu. Kubor kibabnya Menteri Kena Ketenat New and Renewable Energy ke Sarkar India Bhagwan Kuba hanya kesingi ulale jengok ya ke West Khasi Hills District ban kemibnya ya ke skim pair berkerjaan ke Sarkar Pedeng bat bela penterekam hapo ke district Menteri ulalumru ya ke jengelang kemibnya bat ki officer Sarkar jong district harangkat ke jengedon lang Deputy Commissioner ke West Khasi Hills ba Garrett LSN Dykes bat hadin kani bat kirang ba snong jong kenong Stone Town area Habakran sekilat petai kubor kuba ulang bakajing temu jong kate kajing le jungo kalong ban kemi iki skim pair ke Sarkar Pedeng bala penterikam hapok ke jela bat ban penbet mardor iki jing bagi pajba ki kendo hadin kani menteri le jungo ru ya ke mau kawa agan wadi center Sipsing Memorial Government Higher Secondary School bat mauli sub center ban kemi halor ki skim pair bakersan ke Sarkar Pedeng bala penterikam hapok ke district
to review the central government schemes and whatever they are facing to implement the scheme. Immediately we are addressing those challenges, these problems. Because of that, all Northeast region citizens now feeling that yes, we are developing at par with the other state of the India.
Ka jingyalang ka Kenhun Menteri hinin kesingi kelekran bat ajeng menjur halor ke jing terua ban Pengkelah Kerteng ya ke Lady Hydro Park sa Pan Nong Light Park. Ka jingyalang kele menjur ru ban thaw ki kam ki jam na banta ke Shillong Public Higher Secondary School. Ha ka juk apor ke la menjur habede bat ke jing thaw ki kam ki jam ha ka state NSS cell kumbala batha da ke Sarkar India. Kiwe kirai ki kentup ru banwan rai ke jing kelah ha ka Meghalaya State Food Commission rules arhajar khatsau na ka banta ka samoy jong ka office chairman kat kum ke jing don kap kum ki kendon ha ka kerdan jong keri ke jing kete ka cash grant sa kinong yo khusnam galantry bat kiwe kinong job ya ki khusnam bapau jong kat sipai rengkau sipai duriau bat sipai lingsun jong ke jalan alor ka Meghalaya State Waqf board rules arhajar arpulai bat ka Meghalaya State Policy on Construction and Demolition Waste arhajar arpway.
Aware that it was upgraded to a higher secondary school, but there were not enough teaching staff there for that, and hence that those particular posts for the higher secondary school were created, and today that was cleared by the cabinet. The second proposal was for the creation of posts in the state NSS cell. This is something that is mandated by the government of India, and this board was supposed to come out quite some time back. We have amended some rules in the Meghalaya State Food Commission rules in terms of the period of time of the chairman. So that was in accordance with the rules that have been laid on at the national level.
Menteri Rang Ba Kajala Konrad Kesang Mahanin Kesengi ula ang ba ula bataimnya leng ba presentation siya ke Kenhun Menteri halor ke roster system bat baro kit khot jong ke Kenhun Menteri ke lapan pai ke jinghun halor ke jing bataimnya ke bala batai ha ke jing yalang habakren sekilat batai kubor usang ma ula ang ba kate ke jing batai kalongkat kum ke jing tip jing Kenya ke baha hapok reservation policy bat ke jirwat jong roster system bat kene kan sashai hadin ke jing yalang jong baro ke seng san protei halor ke jing doa jong ke VPP ban kemibnya ya ke reservation policy Menteri Rang Ba ulang bayamanta ke jing ekren ka ba Sarkar ka khot kalong halor ke roster system
and all the cabinet colleagues were very satisfied after seeing the presentation. And the presentation was based on all facts and figures, looking at the reservation policy and looking at the complexities of roster system, and accordingly, as I said, a presentation was made. As of now, the discussion that we have called for is regarding the roster system. So we are sticking to the roster system as of now. So we want to clarify on that and decide on how we should move forward first.
Menteri Rang Ba Kajala Konrad Kisangma ulang bagajing ikran yasuk bat kekenhun New Trap National Liberation Council HNLC kan sedang hapok kataya wadengkong jong ubnai jeliu. Habakran sekinung thok kubor hadian gajing lang kekenhun Menteri Usangma ulang ba usumbut Menteri Rang Ba Kajala bakmi ketenat kampo yeng ba Preston Tensong ulapan sengo ba ladan gajing kenduk ba political Secretary Vice Chairman but Court Executive jong ke HNLC hagasingi ba ar hagajing don lang uksyang ba PS Dekar. Menteri Rang Ba ulang ru ba barok gajing keren bat ke HNLC kiyat leng ba uksyang.
Well, the talks will start. Let the interlocutor discuss and let the government be there. I think it will not be proper for me to come in and say that. As I said, it's not from my point. There's a process, there's a procedure. The interlocutor is meant to sit down and talk to them. So all those points will, whatever the concerns are, as I said, we have discussed a lot of them. But let the formal talks first start.
Presiden Barang Ba ke VPP uba Arden Besai moj nen kesngi ulakan tu ya kipat ba bakidai ban yami renti bat ajing reshan ya kejing dawa jong keseng ban kmipnya ya reservation polisi bat ya kani kerai la shim hadien kejing ki shong kelan mongor. Habakren sekilat patai kubor ba besai moj ulang ba ke sorkar kedai ban kmipnya ya ke reservation polisi namar kamlong ke biang nang bantai kipat ba Khasi ki ba kambon ha kejing bun breu bat kilayop ha tang 10%. Habakli halor kejing dawa ban pensangnya ya baru kejing tungkam ha ketenat Terekam sorkar ulang baka sorkar kadai ban penjelan ya kerta jong ki kun samla ki bathap na kabanta ki kam baper kumban sukudau hang ne ka Voice of the People Party VPP henen ka singi kala penong ka jingi ki shong kalan mongor ha ka jaga penyeng kali hajan additional secretariat Shillong bandawa pensangnya swaya baro jing tungkam kat bempat kmipnya ya ke reservation polisi.
To review the present reception policy, because that is our stand, that is our demand, because the problem that the youth of the unemployed youth of the state are facing is because of the reception policy, originates from the reception policy. Well, I think as I've spelled out the ratio of proportion between the Khasis and the Garos since 1971. The statistics indicated that the Khasi's community is always higher than the Garo community by 15% average, I may say. So therefore we feel that this policy, the job reservation policy is not proportionate.
Menteri Rang Ba Kajala Konrad Kisangma ne kesingi lo play ya Dare to Dream Academy ke jaka aji hikai lekai football jong ka Dream Foundation ringkat kejing isno tilang bat ke Assam Rifle Public School BBFS Residential Academy Indian Football Foundation bat Bei Chungbutia Football School Hasai Nehu habanyo ya kejing klan jong kisamla kum ke bor bantei Menteri Rang Ba ulang ba kalong ke badan kamban penwandori kisap ki pong jong kisamla ha karukam ke badai. Ketika jaka ia mentah ke don san pengut ki kena sendrang nak keleng ke than jete lam mi ngi ke Dream Foundation kawan ra ya ke program ajing hikai football ke balai senam har rengkat ke jing sun tilang bat ke Bechung Butia Football School da ke jing tu ban pen itu bat penwador ya kino ya lekai football na ke jela ke than jete lam mi ngi nalor kane la penbiang ru ya ki jing ajing hikai sakin yo jing mentoy hagan ke sngi lepenong ru ya jing lekai football jong kena badan sap hagan e kaliang.
At the very outset, I would like to thank the Dream Foundation and would like to thank Mr. Baichung Bhutia for having taken this initiative and more importantly for having selected Shillong and the state of Meghalaya to start and to put up the first academy, a residential academy in the entire eastern region.
6 of the players from Meghalaya who are under our scholarship programs went on for India under 17 camp, and 2 of the players have gone on to play for India, and they are all from Meghalaya. So I think you can see the talent coming out from the region.
Mentapan ia pe jinglong jingman ke simnang hasilong kajing shit kalong 4.2 degree Celsius baik kajing kriat kalong khasan 0.1 degree Celsius kajing singam kau kalong prop saw nak ispa menstep at prop way nak ispa janmir kajing hap slap kalong 0.1 mm kalaban dan kajing hap slap ha ki babon ki bentah Seisin pan ngi pen kemai pi begini kubor jangi pilar umen page live hak ju hi kapor hak YouTube channel bat ru pilar ban page kubor ba man kasing ke Facebook Twitter bat Instagram jangi news shalong Shuaban poi ju bukut jong thuk kubor ngi pe biang seisin ni kimat bakong san Lejunga menteri kena ek West Khasi Hills ban kipnya ek skim sarkar pedeng Menjur ke Sarkar Jela berpengkelar kerteng ikan Lady Hyder Park sekapan Nong Laj Park. Kun kekenhun Menteri Sarkar ikajing batai banyak alot ke roster system. But play with Rumba yang Dare to Dream Academy Hasai Nehu. Ti perlok dak itu kubong ni poi pat sebekut jong tu kubor jong ni mentaka janmit hadu ban sembyang bat pila sai kasi kuble pi barok
This story is more than 150 years old, when our valiant heroes saw a dream to build a nation